Hello everyone, welcome to another Helium 10 tutorial video. Today we're going to cover how to use Helium 10 for product research. Now we already covered how to use keyword research. Now we're going to cover on how to use Helium 10 for product research. Now before you get started, right now is the best chance for you to get a Helium 10 account. You can get 20% off for 6 months or get 10% off for every single month for the lifetime of you using Helium 10 with our links down below. So if you want to get a Helium 10 account, you can get an account with our links down below. Now obviously Helium 10 also offers a free account, so you can get a free account as well. However, let's get started with this particular tutorial. So first of all, what I like to do is I always like to have Helium 10 Google Chrome extension. Although I'm not using Google Chrome, I'm using Brave browser. You can still install it on your Brave browser just like you would install it on Google Chrome. Now, as you can see, I have here a Helium 10 extension. Why do I have this extension? Because if I go to Amazon, if I type in kitchen mats for floor, this is just one particular keyword, I can go here and I can click on a specific keyword, and as you can see I already get information and data points for each keyword, but I can click on one keyword here. Let's click on this product, and then here as you can see I will get the information for this product. I will get the 30-day sales, I will get the listing health score, FBA fee, variation count, and much more if I click here, as you can see, such as the ACA number, which is basically the product number for the product. And once I have this, once I know the keyword, I can go and I can copy the keyword, and I can use that keyword and go into Helium 10 dashboard, and I can go to the tools section, and as you can see under the product research tab you have Black Box. Black Box is an Amazon product research tool in the Helium 10 tool. If we click on that tool, we will see here that we can search for particular products. We can search for the products here, although I like to search for products and keywords here. So let's say I have a keyword already here. I can click on the keyword or keywords, and as you can see I can go to categories. So for the categories I can set the categories for home and kitchen. I can do the keyword search, which is this keyword right here, kitchen mats for floor. I can also exclude some of the keywords as well. Obviously we can add the number of sellers. We can have 1 seller, 2 sellers to 500 sellers. We can do that. However, I will not do this because I'm not sure how many sellers are there already for a specific keyword. However, for you, you can niche down this particular keyword and particular information that you will get based on the input right here. So you can play around with monthly sales units, with shipping size tier, with best sales period, with fulfillment, with age, month, competing products, title density, and a lot more. So let's just hit search here and let's see what we can do for this particular keyword. Now as you can see right here, the search did not match any phrases right here. So as you can see, what we need to do is we need to be much more specific in terms of the keyword right here. So let's just go here and let's just go kitchen mats maybe. That's not really that specific, but or bathroom, or let's just do kitchen mats. Yeah, let's just go here and let's just go kitchen mats, and let's just hit search here. And as you can see right here, we get a couple of things already right from the get-go. So as you can see, we have 4 phrases found: glide mats for kitchen appliances. We have 3.5 kitchen rugs and mats. We have here D Crafts oval bathroom racks for bathroom, and you can see the search volume, you can see the price, you can see the monthly sales, and you can see the monthly revenue. So for example, for 3.3 against 5 kitchen rugs and mats, you have 35 search volume, but we have $34 per is a price, and then we have 6,000 monthly sales, and we have almost $140,000 in monthly revenue. So here we can actually go and we can see which products are selling and which products we can focus on. Now once we have a keyword right here, we can copy this keyword and we can obviously go and search for this keyword here on Amazon as well, And we can also take a look at Amazon and what you can get on Amazon and what it's selling on Amazon right here as well. So if you go here to this particular placemat, we can go here and click on the mat, and we can see the results, or Helium 10 results for this mat. As you can see, listing health score is 10. So as you can see, for the listing health score, this just means that this listing is well optimized. And it has everything above right here. So once you select the product you want, you will also need to optimize the listings. However, this in a nutshell is how you can get started with your product research on Helium 10. So once you have this keyword, you can obviously copy the keyword. You can go to competitors. For example, if you go to competitors, you can select the ASIN from the competitor, and then based on that, you will be able to get the competitors analytics, which you will be able to see what competitors are selling and what you can sell as well. Here you also have niche as well, so you can also go and have a phrase for, let's say, kitchen mat, and we can go and search that, and you will get, based on that phrase, you will get right here, as you can see, also the sellers for that particular kitchen and that particular product or kitchen mat, and you will also get the price trend over the 90 days and stuff like that. Again, like each of these categories right here will help you in your product research. So obviously, this is just a simple overview of how to do product research. If you want, I can do another video which will be more in depth on how to use Helium 10 for product research. So if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. And again, if you want to get Helium 10 20% off for 6 months or 10% off for every single month, you can get those with our links down below. So this is for everyone that is watching this video. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.